Okay, next we have this Vivitar 70-160 macro focusing zoom. So yeah, the coating looks interesting. Okay, the aperture. So this one allows you to focus at and to be at a constant aperture of f3.8. So like, I'm gonna show you the aesthetics first. Then like, there's a zoom and a focus. It's pretty smooth, quite nice. I'll show you the glass. Did it zoom in? Show you the glass. Show you the glass from behind. It's a Nikon mounted lens. Let me see. Let's do f22. So it's like a it's a Nikon mount. It's a G lens kind of thing, but it allows you to also adjust the blade here. Okay, let me show you with the blades in, with some manual focus. Okay, is it sharp? Right, so there's a blade, the blade from the back. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a shine test as usual. Shine test. Okay, let me try doing some manual focus so we can see the center. Okay, alright, from the back. Too bright. Okay, looks okay. I'm gonna show you a control unit, which is the 51.8 Yongnuo new lens that I have. So just allow you to compare between them, see what a new lens looks like. So of course this is based on assumption that new lens is okay, so there you go. So just for your comparison, this one comes with this case. So yeah.